Hello, beautiful people. Peter here again. Welcome to my lab scenario. Today, we are going to see how to have access or log into Microsoft Exchange 2019 server. So, before we begin, by the end of this lab, I just wanted to make sure that you have access to your Exchange Admin Center, and also you are able to see the management shell. In a scenario whereby you are an Exchange administrator and you need to log into your admin center to manage your Exchange environments, you need to have some few stuff at hand before you can do that. So let's take a look into what are the prerequisites. What do you need to have? You need to have access to the Exchange 2019 server. Well, maybe a virtual machine running an Exchange server or a physical one. You need to have access to the credential for the administrator. And also, you need a web browser that actually supports HTTP or HTTPX. So let me take you back to my own server, which is going to be a virtual machine server that I'm running my Exchange server on. And let's see how we can have access to this. All right. So in the previous video, we have actually go through how to install our lab, how to install an Exchange. So right now, what we have to do is to have access to the Exchange Admin Center. So we're going to open our preferred browser. So in my case, I'm going to open Microsoft Edge and I'm going to navigate to the URL of the Exchange Admin Center. So in my case, my URL is going to be exch01 dot my domain name /ECP. As we are able to see it here, mine is going to different than yours. So all you have to do is to click on enter, and this to actually prompt you for your administrator credential login. In my case, I'm going to type my password and click on sign in. Maybe you see a little bit of different between the way you actually interact with your own Exchange Admin Center. This is because I've actually gone into the backend and I prefer to use email address. I'm going to show you how to do that later. But in your case, it's going to be your domain / your username, and you're going to put your password. So voila, we do have access to our dashboard. So our dashboard actually looking really nice. I have a couple of emails that I've actually created. So here we have a lot of things, goodies that we're going to look into in later video. So now that we verified that we have access to this, we need to also have access to the Exchange Management Shell, just to make sure that we can do things in PowerShell. So like before, I'm going to click on my start and I'm going to navigate to my Microsoft Exchange server and I'm going to right click on my Exchange Management Shell. So this will actually load in a little bit. Sometimes depends on your server resources. It takes a little bit, but might actually load faster today. I'm grateful. So now let's verify that we are able to actually do something here. So most of the popular command right here is get mailbox. So if you're trying to get something and it's not auto-completing for you, it looks like maybe you don't have the PowerShell module installed, or maybe something is missing. I actually showed this information in my previous video on how to fix it. So right here, I'm going to do get mailbox, and let's see what we get. Actually, it displays all the mailboxes that I actually have on my server, and that is it. Now, if you have been able, like, if you have successfully logged into the Microsoft Exchange server and you're able to verify that you can use the management shell, then you're in good hands. That means that you're ready to rock and roll in your lab. So, what have we done in this lab? You have learned how to log into your Microsoft Exchange Server 2019 using the Exchange Admin Center and also the Exchange Management Shell. So you also learn how to verify that you have access and interact with Exchange using PowerShell commandlet. So which is actually the get mailbox that we actually did. So These skills are actually essential for managing your Exchange environment efficiently and effectively. So in the next video, we're going to be doing something more advanced where we're going to be taking in consideration of the recipient, the permissions, compliance management, and a lot of things is coming up on our way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. If you do have any question, please reach out and I'll be very glad to assist you. Bye for now.